Hi Year 4, this is your Wednesday maths video. I hope you've got on okay on Monday and Tuesday. I'm sure you really enjoyed doing it. So today we're doing a little bit more on the expanded method of multiplication. We're still doing multiplying one digit by two digits. So today we're going to look back at our work from yesterday and think about our how, which is step 1, what do you need to multiply? Step 2, multiply. Step 3, add it up. Nice and easy. Okay, so who can answer this? I would like you to pause your video for me and think about what we learnt yesterday, the expanded method of multiplication, and answer this. So pause it, go. Okay, well done. Hopefully you found that relatively easy. For those of you that need to go through it, let's go through it. So we should have laid out our multiplication like this. We need to have the 41 above the 3, and of course we're going to do 3 times 1. Hopefully you can all tell me that is 3. So we actually did this question yesterday, didn't we? And now we're going to do 3 times 4, except it's not 4, is it? Because have a look where my 4 is, it's in the tens column. So we're doing 3 times 40. So you can all tell me that 3 times 4 is 12, 4, 8, 12. So 3 times 40 would be 120. So let's add those up. We've got 3, 2 and 1. So 41 times 3 is going to be 123. Lovely. Okay, oh, there's more steps you can have a look through if you would like to. And here we go. Here's another one for us. Now this one is a little bit more tricky. And I want you to have a think, first of all, about why these are important. Why do you think we write that there? So the reason we write these sums on the edge is to help us know what we have already multiplied so we don't do it again. Now this is going to help us when we move on to other methods in maths as well. So it's really important you don't cut corners and you write those out. So let's start by doing 2 multiplied by 7, which is 14. So next, lovely. So hopefully we've got that written in. Now we need to do 2 times 40. So make sure you're not doing 2 times 4, it is 2 times 40, which is going to be 80. Now let's add those up. We've got 4 and then we've got a 9. So the answer to 47 times 2 is 94. Lovely. Right. Let's have a go at this one as well, just to make sure it's definitely in our brains. We're doing 5 times 3 to begin with. Now 5 times 3, I'm sure you can all tell me is 15. Lovely. Now we're doing 5 times 40. Okay, make sure it's 5 times 40, not 5 times 4. So we can count up in 5, 10, 15, 20. We know 5 times 4 is 20. Times that by 10 is 200. Now let's add those up. Expand the page a little bit. So 5 and 0, 1, 2. So I can tell you that 43 times by 5 is going to be 215. Lovely. Okay, so let's just slow down a little bit and think about those steps. So step 1, find which numbers need to be multiplied by each together and write them in the brackets. So can you see with these oops, I have thought about which numbers are going to be times together and I've written them down. Let's highlight it. Oh, come on pen. Hey, there we go. Highlighter. So let's do all of this in yellow. So if it helps you children, you can actually colour code these. So we've got our yellow step, which is step 1. Okay, step 2, multiply the numbers together. Now we are all so good at our times tables in year 4 that we can do that without any problem. That's going to be step 2, that's our green step. And the last thing you need to do is add them up. Should we make that blue? Add, and actually I probably should have written add there as well. Okay, so we've got our different steps. What I would like you to do now, children, is to either have a look at your sides and have a go at the hot or spicy, where there's not any scaffolding today, I want you to have a look back at the work you did yesterday, have a look back through the slides, and make sure you're presenting it exactly how I have been presenting it on the board. If it helps you, you can colour code it. And if you get stuck, I would have a look back at these steps to help you. Okay, and if you are doing the warm activity today, there is a sheet saved in the folder which has the questions laid out for you, which should help you a little bit. What I would suggest if you are doing the warm activity is when you have finished, is copy that out, copy the whole sum out onto a piece of paper just to help you practice laying it out correctly, because eventually you're going to have to do it by yourself. Okay, so pause the video now and have a go at that. Okay, welcome back everyone. Hopefully you found that okay. I have written the answers here for you and they're also saved in the folder, so have a look at those, see how you got on. And what I would like you to do now is to think about this question. So far in maths, we have been multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Have a look at this. This is a 3-digit number and we're timesing that by a 1-digit number. What I would like you to do now is pause the video again and have a think about this. Okay, lovely, welcome back. We are going to do this exactly the same as we have been doing the 2-digit numbers. Nice and simple. So we need to write 654. I think we might run out of space, children. Might have to get rid of this question. Oh, we'll think about the question before I delete it. What is the same about what we have been doing and what is different? So you are going to find an awful lot the same. Okay, let's go back to red so we don't get confused. Okay, and we're going to times that by 8. Okay, so first of all, we need to do 4 times 8. Oh. Okay, so then we're going to need to do, 8 times 50. I've squashed this in a little bit, children, it's not very neat. And finally, you're going to need to do 8 times 600. Okay, right now we're on to step 2. We're going to work those out. So 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 50 is going to be 400. And 8 times 600 is going to be 4,800. Okay, now we need to add those up. So we have got 2 add 0 is 2, and we've got 3. Now this we need to do a little bit of exchanging, but we're really good at that. So 8 add 4 is going to be 12. So pop your 2 in there, the 1 has carried over. So this number is going to be, the answer to 8 times 654 is going to be 5,232. Lovely. Okay, so that has given us a bit of thinking to do, children. So good luck. Well done. You've finished everything. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.